I like to go the back of my hand, so when I roll to my fist, it's nice and tight. And then I squeeze my elbows. Here, slide my hand in and roll into that fist. Grab the fist off your cheekbone, and up there, notch over there. So I slide it like that, and then when I turn it, it gives me an extra hand with the pressure. Like if I was just pushing on there. So I slide in, back of my hand, and then roll. So again on this, what position is this? Seatbelt. Control the arm so you can't fight this arm. Over here, arms like that, so you put your elbow down my hand. Okay? Arms and elbow, and from here, out, knee will bring your hand. This is on the short knee. Ball into the bucket. As I fall, I leave my arms. Behind the head. Sorry, here. From here, squeeze as you roll. Squeezing into that fist and roll. Okay? You sit there like this. It's almost like crisscrossing in the knee. It's like crisscrossing your arms. Okay? So I'll show it one more time. Go on the seatbelt and grab. Grab the shoulder, single arm. Okay, that was not quite reliable. We started like that hand. It's one arm, this one arm. But I got a little more leverage because I put the shoulder forward. Then the second one, now I got the hand right now when I fall to the side, that one goes behind. Now I fall into the bucket, and then I roll it and squeeze. Questions on those? Okay, we'll go through it slow. I'll take you through all three times, and then we'll give you a minute. Okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Find a partner close to your size, please. I can jack either with Giant or Idiot or Sebastian or Sawyer. Two incidents, he's using the middle finger for the jab. And actually, yeah, because these guys are big. Go with those guys. We're going to face that way. Thomas turn. You guys are going here. She's going to help you guys do it. Just take care of that. Do you have to Alright, so we have our seatbelt, okay? On from here. All the way across your neck. Yes. Now from here, bottom person, you should have your hands up. Nobody fights with their hands flopped down like that, okay? They would be coming up to the fin and grab and fight. So that's why we're starting with your hands here. So it's not specific with their up and the grab, okay? Put the arm under the armpit and hooks their arm. The other one goes around their neck and to their shoulder. Now it's like the elbow back. Stop as soon as they tap. Release the pressure, but don't let go of the grab. Okay? Now the second one comes out from under their armpit. Grab your own hand and short choke. Good. Where you have your hands from? Turn it over. Underneath. No, that's over top. Underneath. Yeah. Don't straight out here so it hurts it. You already against your neck. And pull it. Okay. Now from here, you fall into the bucket. Now watch me. Don't extend your arm. Just lead. Okay? And then go. You went out and around, Sebastian. Just lead. Okay? And then squeeze your. You don't have your arm grab. Now this needs power. It's this. You're making me move your arm. Let me move your arm now since I'm happy to do it. Why are you gripping me tight where I can't move it? Why are you gripping me tight where I can't move it? Grab, grab. You do it, not me. Squeeze your elbows together and choke. We don't tap the mat nearly. We tap our partners and then here in the middle. Done. Again. Seatbelt. the arm, around the shoulder, single arm choke. Then from here, short choke, grab your hand underneath, not over top, not over top. Now this is going to work. Thank you. You can't start out here because then it slams her neck. Already be close to her neck. Now this is going to work. This should have already had her neck. This should already be touching her neck. So you just come up and grab. This is not deep. And then short choke. Then falls into the bucket. Grab your arm in behind. And elbows together. Good. One more time. Seatbelt. And grab the arm. And single arm choke. Then get the hand out. Short choke. Fall to your side for the lion choke. Use your other grip. That's the lion. Go 1 minute on your own and you begin. You don't have the shoulder hook. Have the shoulder for that one. You have to have the hand. Another hand. Not your hand, her hand. Why are you moving your hand where she can't get it? Keep your hand in. Go. Listen. Your hand in. Let's grab it.